Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. The May Take It, Make It, the cardboard roses, should still be available at the Cirque desk, so check and see. And we also have these Diego Rivera themed art kits from Crystal Bridges. They come with art supplies, an art project, and it's got all the supplies you need. And it even has a voucher for you to come and see one of the temporary exhibits that are there. So be sure and come by the Cirque desk and pick one up. On Tuesday, May 9th at noon, we'll have our second Tuesday Lunch and Learn. Author Karen Kilroy will be here to tell us what makes artificial intelligence so smart. Then on Thursday, May 11th and the 18th, from 2 to 3:30 will be the English Conversation Group. Now this is in person and on Zoom. Then on Saturday, May 20th, from 1 to 2, it's the Buzz About Bees. Ricky from the Benton County Beekeepers Association will be here to tell us all about bees. In the teen department, we have our Monday DIY. And on May 8th, they're going to do dinosaur planters. So you'll get to design your own dinosaur planter. And on May 15th is felted wool. You'll get to poke and shape your wool into all kinds of art shapes. That's from 6 to 8. Then movie night is May 11th, which is a Thursday. That's 6 to 8. And on May 18th, the next Thursday, is game night, and that's from 6 to 8. Then on Saturday, May 20th, from 12 to 4, is tabletop games. Now in the children's department, come be a summer volunteer. The children's department will need you from June 3rd to August 5th. Hours are flexible, and this is for people ages 13 and up. Applications are available online. But if you have any questions, be sure and come into the children's library and ask them or give us a call. Tuesday, May 9th from 3 to 5 in the parking lot on the east end of the library, Buddy Peg's Bicycle Playground will be here. Come join us for the ultimate bike-based educational adventure for kids ages 2 to 6. Be sure and bring your own bike and helmet. But Buddy Pegs will have bikes available for kids to use. Just so you know, the children's department will be taking a 2-week break the last 2 weeks of May so they can put the finishing touches on the summer reading program. There's all kinds of fun things coming up. Here's a couple of future events. Monday, May 22nd, from 4 to 8, Rogers Public Library will be partnering with the Ozark Beer Company and the Friendly Bookstore for their third Brewtastic Book Fair. Now this is going to be held at the Ozark Beer Company in downtown Rogers, and the address is 109 North Arkansas Street. So come find your summer reads. And the other one is on June 3rd, which is a Saturday. The summer reading program is going to have its kickoff. Now we have so much planned this year in all of our departments, so be sure and keep checking our event calendar for all the new details. Don't forget Mother's Day is May 14th. So until next time, I hope you have another couple of wonderful weeks. Bye.